How to add title text? Create a new slide here. I have some picture here. This is God's particle. Okay, I want to give title to this image. Put some text to this image. Then how to do? Just I insert this image into a slide. Okay, insert picture. Then I choose this object and drag and drop, and this is God's particle. Okay, then if I want to put title on this image, then go to insert and choose word art or text box. Okay, and put here God's particle. Now the text is not visible particles. I select this in text and I change the color. Okay, till it is not visible. So I can give some background. Okay, then how to do? Just put it place in a correct place, and then right click and format shape, and here solid fill. Okay, then choose color which you need. For example, I choose black. Okay, and this is neutrino. Okay, these are all neutrino. Then I put some text here about neutrino. Go to insert and text box and neutrino, and select the text and change the color. Double click on this text box and go to fill. Okay, here solid fill or gradient fill, anything. Okay, okay, now I can save this total slide into a picture, or otherwise I can save this image only. Then how to do? I choose this and choose this object. Now I group these objects, this image and title text. Okay, Control G, and then right click and go to save as picture. Okay, now choose the place and you can save as PNG or JPEG. Okay, I want to save this image without background. Then how to do? Just click on this image and save as picture. Here choose any area, any place, and here and choose save as type PNG. Now I save this picture again, save as picture, and here I choose JPEG format. Then save. I give another name here, 2A, and save. Okay, then what is the difference between the PNG format and the JPEG format? Shall we know? I insert the exported picture here in this slide. Insert pictures. Here we export this picture and this picture. Okay, I insert these two pictures. Now, okay, this is with the background. This is without background. Okay, if you want to save this picture without background, you have to save this picture in PNG format. Okay, if you want to save this picture with the background, then save as JPEG file format. Okay, then adding text and marking.